Okay, now we will learn about grammar. The grammar we learn today is the simple present tense. The simple present tense in English is rule, decrease an action that is regular, true, or formal. We use the present tense for repeats or regular action in the present time period. For facts, for hobbies, for things that always and reasonably true. Present simple tense. The present have subject, past, verb 1, and object. In sentence have singular noun is subject, verb 1 at s or es, and when in sentence have plural noun is subject, joined at s or es.